there are, and Darwin knows this very well, there are 37 different blues out there, right?
Yep.
Each of them has a data science team. Each of them has an analytics team. If we cannot do, like from a blues perspective, we are already going down that path of why do we not want to share some of these data science models?
Right.
Because it doesn't make sense for me to create a model which has some feature sets. There could be one or two tweaks with the geography, but that should be able to be applied to any other population, right, across the board. So there are entities which we have already started doing that within our own little small umbrella, right? But to your point, there are the democratizing, as you said, of some of these models is where this will go. We moved recently from SAS to R, as a language, and primarily because of the reason that there are a lot more things available in R than they were ever available in SAS.
Right.
There are people, the community is using R as a platform where they are creating those libraries for the scientists to use. So, that's something that we want to take leverage of. The third thing that we have done, and we just signed a deal with MIT, where we are using academics. The academic people are keen to learn, and they are keen to come up with, they are the brightest minds out there, right, in terms of, whether they are the PhDs or the postdocs. They are hungry for data. They do not have all the data, but they are hungry for data to be able to implement some of the principles, whether it is text mining, whether it is data science. So we just signed a deal with MIT where we have a 3-year deal with MIT where they will be building our data models for us, for some of the data models, and we will be providing them that data from our end.